If a film runs for at least 100 days, it is supposed to be a hit. But today's world it is different. If a film runs for 2 weeks in a theater, it is a super hit. Right? A corporate study tells that of all the companies that are registered, only 45% of the companies cross a 20-year milestone. The rest 55 do not take off, they die well within that 20 years. Later on, you might be seeing some long service awards for certain employees, but in my mind, the long service award should go to Centum Group, which has withstood a VUCA world, as they say. Volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. I think that's a very important thing that we should note, that Centum must get the first long service award for survival, sustenance, and growing. That takes me to the second question. How did we arrive at this here? Every action of us today takes us to the tomorrow. So if I look back, the canvas has been changing. The actors have been changing. Customers have changed, products have changed, new competition has come, technology has come, regulatory restrictions have gone up, but we were able to withstand all of that and come here at the 30th year of excellence. If you ask me what made this possible, my impromptu reaction would be, it's all the employees, which is what everybody said. The past employees who are present here, the present employees and the future employees. I think your dedication, your commitment and your passion has really brought us here. The extended hours that we put in, the early logins, the tiring meetings on the weekends, all this has made it possible to come here and we celebrate this year. Having said that, Kishore talked about the three sets of employees, three sets of people who are present here. And I want to thank the fourth set of people, Jagdish mentioned about it, our board of directors. There were a lot of changes. These are the wise men standing behind or sitting behind, guiding us, supporting us and controlling us. I think these are the people who made it possible. And I'll just take